Hello everybody, this is Ankur Agarwal here. What to do when you see a drop in the sales numbers or reduction in the number of customers? Now this is something which is a very important aspect which almost every business faces at some point of the time. Now when we are talking of drop in the sales number or reduction in the number of customers, it is primarily dependent on two factors. One are the controllable factors, second are the uncontrollable factors. Controllable factors are the one which is there within your control, where you can bring about certain changes which can enable you to put your business back onto the track or improve the sales numbers. The second aspect is the other uncontrollable factors. Uncontrollable factors are the ones which is related to economy, markets, climatic conditions, environment, in which as an individual nothing much can be done. So here I'm going to share about the three most important controllable factors which can enable any person where there is a drop in the sales numbers to come back onto the track. The first one is that it is very important to identify the trends. Now trends can be of various aspects. First one is trends about the industry. Trends about your industry, how your industry is growing. What is the rate at which the industry is growing? What is the rate at which your company, your business is growing? What are the current latest buying patterns within your industry which is going on? What are the marketing trends which are being followed within your industry? So it is very important to identify these micro level trends as well and just compare what exactly are you doing. That will give you a very nice perspective about any gap areas which, if at all, are there. The second aspect comes, which is a very important element, is about following up the sales processes. Now, if we talk of, again, if we go back to the fact that there is a reduction in the sales numbers and the number of consumers, is there enough prospecting which is happening? Are there enough number of leads which are being worked upon? Is there a rigorous follow-up which is happening on an automated basis? Or is the sales process being followed by every single person within the value chain? Because sales numbers drop if there is something which is amiss, something which is not being followed rigorously, and that is how this gap is there. So what I would urge is that check out all the sales processes, what is being followed, what sales processes have you followed in the best of your times, and if it's not working, are you following the same one? Wonderful. If not, please follow that thing. Once you have able to identify the latest trends which are going on, you will be able to modify the sales processes also. And the third factor which is there, what are the best practices which are being followed in the market? Now, this is something which is really important to be aware about. I am not saying at any point of time one should just copy. No, not at all. That is the absolutely completely wrong thing. But at the same point of time, identifying the best practices being followed within your industry and incorporating that into your business will always enable a business to improve the sales numbers. So these are the three controllable factors which, if immediately worked upon, can generate good results which is there. At the same point of time, there are a lot of other controllable factors which are there in terms of education based marketing, in terms of marketing strategy, in terms of having a use of technology. Various factors are there, but these are the top three ones which are there. So implement these top three controllable factors and you will be able to improve the sales numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video.